अब शुरुआत करते हैं सम इम्पोर्टेंट अमेंडमेंट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। ठीक है, अब स्टार्ट करते हैं सम इम्पोर्टेंट अमेंडमेंट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया। फर्स्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया 1951। दिस अमेंडमेंट एडेड आर्टिकल 15 क्लॉज 4 and article 19 clause 6 and brought the changes in the right of private property in pursuance with the decision of Supreme Court। ठीक है, concerning fundamental rights 9 schedule to the constitution was also added by it। अब आते हैं 7 schedule 1956। Though this amendment act was implemented by the state organization act was made possible the categorization of the state A B C category में। ठीक है, henceforth C states redesigns as a UT। The seats in the Rajya Sabha and the union and the state legislature were reallocated। It also effected changes regarding the appointment of the additional and the acting judges of High Court and the their jurisdiction। ठीक है, 10th Constitutional Amendment Act 1961 incorporated Dadra and Nagar Haveli as a UT। ठीक है, आपके 12th Constitutional Amendment Act 1962 inclusion of the territories of the Goa, Daman, Diu into the Indian Constitution, Indian Union। 13th Constitutional Amendment Act 1962 insertion of the Article 371A मतलब नागालैंड वाला, make a special provision for the administration of the state of Nagaland। 14th Constitutional Amendment Act 1962 Pondicherry, Karaikal, Mahe, Yanam, Pondicherry, Karaikal, PKMY, Pondicherry, Karaikal, Mahe, Yanam, and the former French territory were specified in the constitution as the UT of Pondicherry। Now Puducherry enabled the UTs of Himachal Pradesh, Manipur, Tripura, Goa, Daman and Diu, Pondicherry to have legislated their Council of Ministers। 15th Constitutional Amendment Act 1963 it raised the age of retirement of High Court judges from 60 to 62, extended the jurisdiction of the High Court issues writ under Article 226 or to the government or the authority situated outside its territorial jurisdiction where the cause of action arises within the such jurisdiction। 16th Constitutional Amendment Act 1963 changes were effected in Article 19 to enable the Parliament to make laws providing reasonable restriction on the freedom of expression in the larger interest of the sovereignty and integrity of India। Amendments were made in the form of oaths contained in the third schedule with the emphasis on the upholding and sovereignty of the integrity of India। 19th Constitutional Amendment Act 1966 Article 324 was amendment to clarify the duties of Election Commission। It deprived the Election Commission of the power to appoint election tribunal for the decision of election dispute of a member of parliament। ठीक है, 21st Constitutional Amendment Act 1967 Sindhi language was included as the 15th regional language in the 8th schedule। 24th Constitutional Amendment 1971 it was literally act of the parliament neutralized the effect of judgment of Golak Nath case। It affirmed the parliament to power the amendment of any constitution including the fundamental right by amending 368 and Article 13। It made obligatory for the president to give assent to the amendment bills when they are presented to him। ठीक है, 25th Constitutional Amendment Act 1971 came into force 24 April 1972। It restricted the jurisdiction of the court over the acquisition of the laws regarding the adequate compensation। This amendment came primarily in the wake of a bank's nationalization amount was submitted in the place of Article 31। It also provided no law passed by the state effect to the directive principle of state policies specified under clause B and C। Article 39 can be declared void on the ground it was inconsistent with the fundamental right and conferred 14, 19 and 31। 26th Constitutional Amendment 1971 the amendment withdrew the recognition of the ruler princely state and their privy purses were abolished। 26 30th Constitutional Amendment Act 1972 with effect to कब launch हुआ 1973 it provided the only such appeals can be brought to the Supreme Court which involve a substantial question of law violation aspect of 20,000 for the appeals in the civil cases to be Supreme Court was abolished। 31st Constitutional Amendment 1973 by this amendment act the seats of Lok Sabha was increased from 525 to 545 but reduced the representation of unity in Lok Sabha from 25 to 20। 35th Constitutional Amendment 1974 कब आया 75 में accord the status of associate status to Sikkim by ending with the protectorate kingdom status which was novel concept introduced in the constitution. ठीक है. 36 constitutional amendment 1975 made Sikkim a full-fledged state of India, Union of India. 38th Constitutional Amendment Act 1975 clarified that the declaration of the emergency by the president on the promulgation of ordinance by the president or the governor cannot be challenged in any court or any ground. ठीक है, किसी कोड में. ये कौन सा था? 38th. 39th Constitutional Amendment 1975 the dispute or the question regarding the election of the president, vice president, prime minister of Lok Sabha were taken out of preview of judicial review of the Supreme Court or the High Court. ठीक है. 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act. 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act. 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act आपके 1976. 42 यानी 4 तो 6 हो जाएगा, लास्ट में 6 हो जाएगा. मिनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इसको कहते हैं, मिनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट एक्ट भी कहते हैं. ठीक है. द 42nd अमेंडमेंट एक्ट मेड द फंडामेंटल चेंजेस इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन स्ट्रक्चर इन कॉर्पोरेशन. द वर्ड्स सोशलिस्ट एसएसआई, socialist secular integrity in the preamble. Fundamental duties were also added in the part 4th A. Directive principle, ठीक है, that fundamental duties were also, ठीक है, directive principle were given the precedence were over the fundamental rights, and in any law made to the effect of the parliament was kept beyond the scope of judicial review by the court. It made the power of parliament supreme so far as the amendment to the constitution was concerned. It authorized the Supreme Court to transfer the cases from High Court to another to redefine the writs jurisdiction of the High Court. It provided for the amendment administrative tribunals for the speedy justice. ठीक है. It empowered the center to deploy armed forces in any state to deal with the grave law and order situation. It authorized the president to make promulgation of the emergency for any part of the country or to the whole of India. It made the obligatory for the president to act on the advice of the Council of Ministers. Tenure of the Lok Sabha and the state assemblies was increased by 1 year. 43rd Amendment Act 1977. The 43rd omitted many articles inserted by 42nd Amendment. It restored the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court and High Court, which had been curtailed under the 42nd Amendment Act. 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1978 जून और सितंबर 1979 में आया. Amendment was brought by the Janata Party government, which repealed some of the changes effected by the second amendment, 42nd Amendment, omitted a few and provided alteration. Right to property was taken away from the list of the fundamental and placed in the new Article 300A as an ordinary legal right. Constitutionally, the promulgation of the emergency by the president can be questioned in the court on the ground of malified 42nd Amendment had made it immune from the judicial review. It brought the revocation and the promulgation under the parliamentary control. In Article 352 regarding the national emergency, the word internal disturbance was substituted by the word armed rebellion. ठीक है. It authorized the president to refer back the advice to the Council of Ministers and advise. ठीक है, reconsider his advice. The power of the court to decide disputes regarding the election of the prime minister and a speaker was restored. Constitutional protection on the publication of the proceeding in the parliament and the state legislature was provided. 52nd Amendment 1985. The amendment was brought about during Rajiv Gandhi regime with view to put an end of political defections. It added the 10th schedule. It added the 10th schedule containing the modes of disqualification in the case of defection from the parliament. ठीक है. 56 अब आते 55th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट. आपके 55th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट कौन सा था आपके? फ्रॉम अरुणाचल प्रदेश टुक प्लेस विद द स्पेशल पावर given to the governor. It also provided for the 30 member state assembly. 56 constitutional amendment 1987. Goa was made full state with the state assembly, but Daman and Diu state as a union territory. 57th constitutional amendment act 1987. It provided for the reservation of the seat of scheduled tribes of Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh in Lok Sabha. Seats were also reserved for the scheduled tribes of Nagaland, Meghalaya in the state assemblies of Nagaland and Meghalaya. 58th Constitutional Amendment Act 1987. An authoritative text of the Constitution in Hindi was provided to the people of India by the President. 59th Constitutional Amendment Act 1988. It amended the article 353 to provide the declaration of the emergency may be remain in the operation up to 3 years, and also authorized the government to proclaim emergency in Punjab on the ground of internal disturbance. The amendment made in Article 352 thus provided that the emergency with respect to Punjab shall operate only in the state, in that state only. 61st Constitutional Amendment 1988 आया कितने में 28/3/1989 को. It brought about the amendment to the Article 326 for the reduction of the voting age from 21 to 18. 62nd Constitutional Amendment Act 101वां किसका था? GST का था. ठीक है, 123वां बिल था वो. खैर, 62nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1989, it increased the period of reservation of the seats provided to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe for the another 10 years up to 2000 AD. The reservation for the Anglo-Indians through the nomination in case of that inadequate representation was also extended up to 2000. 65 Constitutional Amendment 1990 में आया. ठीक है, National Commission for Scheduled Caste, Scheduled Tribe with the wide powers was provided to take care of the cause of SCs and STs. 66 Constitutional Amendment Act 1990. This amendment provided for the inclusion of 55 new Land Reform Act by the state into the 9th schedule. 69 Constitutional Amendment Act 1991 with effect to 1/2/1992. Article 239 AA AA and 239 AB were inserted, ठीक है, in the constitution to provide the national capital territory designation to the Union Territory of Delhi with the Legislative Assembly and the Council of Ministers. 70th Constitutional Amendment Act 1992 altered Article 54 and 367 to include the member of Legislative Assemblies of Union Territory of Delhi and Pondicherry in the Electoral College for the election of the President. 71st Constitutional Amendment Act 1992, ठीक है, included Manipuri, Konkani, Nepalis in 8th schedule. 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992 with effect 24/4/1993. The institution of Panchayati Raj received constitutional guarantee status and legitimacy. 11th schedule was added to the deal with it. It also insert part of 9 containing Article 243, 243A, 243O. 74th Constitutional Amendment Act 1992 provided for the constitutional sanctity to municipalities by inserting Part 9A containing Article 243P to 243ZG and 11th schedule which deal with the items concerning the municipalities. 77th Constitutional Amendment Act 1995 by the amendment of new clause 4th A was added to the Article 16. It authorized the state to make provision for the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribe with regard to the promotion in the government jobs. 78th Constitutional Amendment Act 1995. This amendment of the 19th schedule of the Constitution inserted 27th Land Reform Act, various 27th, ठीक है, 9th schedule were up to 24. 79th Constitutional Amendment Act 1999. Amended Article 334 to extend the reservation of the seats of SCs and STs and Anglo-Indians in the Lok Sabha and the state legislative assemblies up to 60 years from the commencement of the constitution till 2010. 80 Constitutional Amendment Act 80 Constitutional Amendment Act 2000 amended Article 269 and substituted a new article for 270 and abolished 272 of the Constitution. This was based on the recommendation of the 10th Finance Commission. The amendment was deemed Government of India 1986. ठीक है. 81st Constitutional Amendment 2000 important नहीं लग रहा है. 82nd Constitutional Amendment ये भी ठीक ही ठाक. ठीक. 84th Constitutional Amendment 2001 ये कर लेते, 2002 में आया था. This amendment 84th Constitutional Amendment 2001. This amendment provided that till the publication of the relevant figure of the first census after 2026, a study in the population of the state for the following purpose shall be made on the basis of census shown against each other. Election of the president under Article 55 1971 census. फिर आपके allotment of the seat of each state of the Lok Sabha 1971. Division of the state into the territorial Lok Sabha constituency 1991. Composition of the Legislative Assembly under Articles 170 1991 census. Reservation of the seat for the SC and SC in the Lok Sabha under Article 330 and 330 1991 census. आर्टिकल 85th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट, इट अमेंडेड द क्लॉज, ये इंपॉर्टेंट लग रहा है, ठीक है इन द मैटर ऑफ, ठीक है 86 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 2002 added a new article 21A, after which article 21 which makes the right to education of the children from 6 to 14, ठीक है 6 to 14 fundamental rights, substituted article 45th to direct the state of endeavor to provide early care and education for all the children until they complete the age of 6 years, added the new fundamental right of part 4th 51A. 87th Constitutional Amendment 2003 provided that the allocation of seats in the Lok Sabha and division of the each state into the territorial constituencies will be done on the basis of the 2001 census and not by 1991 census. 88th Constitutional Amendment Act 2003, ठीक है, this amendment inserted a new article 268A after 268 which empowered the Union of India to levy service tax. This tax shall be collected and appropriated by the Union and states in the manner of the formalized by the Parliament of India. 86 Constitutional Amendment 2003 provided for the establishment of the separate National Commission for the Scheduled Tribe by bifurcating the existing National Commission for the Scheduled Caste and the Scheduled Tribes. The commission shall consist of the chairman, vice chairman, and 3 other members. They shall be appointed by the President. They shall be appointed by the President of India, of course. 90th Constitutional Amendment Act 2003. This amendment was necessitated due to the creation of Bodoland Territorial Area district within the state of Assam by agreement reached between the centre and the Bodo representative for the solving Bodoland problem. It is stated that the centre between the centre and the Bodoland representative for solving Bodoland problem. It is stated that the representation of the scheduled tribes and the non-scheduled tribes of the constitution of the Bodoland territorial district shall be maintained. It meant that the representation of the above categories shall remain in same existed prior to the creation of the Bodoland territorial area district. 91st Constitutional Amendment Act 2003. This amendment limit the size of ministers at the center and in the state according to the new clause 1A. Total number of the ministers including the prime minister in the central council of the minister of the chief minister in the state legislature shall not exceed 15% of the total 15% of the 91st Constitutional Amendment 2003. 15% of the total members of the Lok Sabha in the center of the Vidhan Sabha in the state. New clause 1B article 75 provided that the member of the either house of the parliament belonging to any political party who is disqualified for being member that house of the ground defection shall also be disqualified to be appointed as a minister. And clause 1 article 75, ठीक है, चलो ठीक है। अब आते हैं 92nd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 2003, ठीक है। इट अमेंडेड द 8th शेड्यूल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया, एडेड 4 लैंग्वेजेस नेमली बोडो, डोगरी, BDMS, B for Bodo, D for Dogri, M for Maithili, S for Santhali, ठीक है। 93rd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में 2005 प्रोवाइडेड द रिजर्वेशन इन एडमिशन इन द प्राइवेट unaided educational institution for the student belonging to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, ठीक है। 93rd में था, इसमें रिजर्वेशन जो उसमें मिलेगा प्राइवेट संस्था में भी। 94th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 2006 excluded Bihar from the provision to clause 1 article 164 of the constitution to provided that there shall be a minister in charge of the tribal welfare, ठीक है। एडिशन 94th 2006 मध्य प्रदेश और उड़ीसा 3 जगहों पर, बिहार, मध्य प्रदेश और एक्सटेंड कहाँ किया गया है, झारखंड और छत्तीसगढ़ में 3 जगह। मतलब कौन कौन से? 94th अमेंडमेंट 2006 बिहार, मतलब एक अलग से मिनिस्टर होगा उसका, बिहार, मध्य प्रदेश, उड़ीसा, बिहार, मध्य प्रदेश, उड़ीसा, और छत्तीसगढ़ और झारखंड में जो एक्सटेंड कर दिया गया। 95th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट 2009 एक्सटेंड किया गया था रिजर्वेशन फॉर SCs एंड STs इन द लोकसभा, ठीक है, ये 60 ईयर्स के लिए। तो अब ये हो जाएगा 2010 तक, ठीक है। अब आते हैं क्या, हाँ, अब आते हैं सम फीचर, कहाँ गया, शेड्यूल ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, सम इम्पोर्टेंट फेडरल यूनिटी फीचर, अच्छा ठीक है। अब आते हैं सम स्पेशल फीचर ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, ठीक है। Some important feature of Indian Constitution. The Constitution of India is the lengthiest and the most comprehensive of all the written constitution of the world. Originally, the constitution consists 395 article, 22 part, 8 schedule. Now it consists of 442 article और 22 part और 12 schedule. ठीक है. Unlike the federal constitution of USA and Australia, the Indian constitution lays down the provision relating to the government machinery not only to the center but also to the state. Indian constitution provided for the matter of administrative detail. The constitution contains detailed provision relating to the center-state relation, including the emergency provision. 352, 356, 360 इमरजेंसी है ना उसमें प्रेसिडेंट वाला. स्पेशल स्टेटस वाज गिवन टू द जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. 370 A1 ए से स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. 370 ए जो है 371 जो है आपके हो जाएगा गुजरात वाला, फिर गुजरात और महाराष्ट्र वाला फिर अलग हो जाएगा. ठीक है. अंडर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया द अल्टीमेट सॉनिटी जो है पीपल खंड में रहती है. ठीक है. द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया एस्टैब्लिश अ पार्लियामेंट्री फॉर्म ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट बोथ एट द सेंटर द स्टेट. द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दो द रिटन इज सफिशिएंटली फ्लेक्सिबल. ठीक है. अब उसके बाद द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डिक्लेयर सर्टेन फंडामेंटल राइट ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल्स. इट इज़ ए यूनिक फीचर ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दैट मेक्स द सिटीजन्स ड्यूटीज अ पार्ट ऑफ बेसिक लॉ ऑफ द लैंड. वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट यूनिक फीचर ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज DPSP. ठीक है. वेलफेयर स्टेट के लिए इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द लेजिस्लेटिव फंक्शन ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट स्टेट एंड कैन टेक 3 लिस्ट: यूनियन, स्टेट एंड कॉन्करेंट एंड रेजिडरी. 248 में रेजिडरी भी है, उसी लिस्ट भी है. द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अनलाइक द अदर फेडरल प्रोवाइडेड फॉर द सिंगल यूनिफाइड judiciary with the Supreme Court at apex and High Court in the middle and the subordinate court at the bottom. ठीक है. There are provision in the constitution to ensure independence of the judiciary. The Constitution of India had adopted the balance between the American system of judicial supremacy and the British parliament principle of the parliamentary supremacy. The most remarkable feature of the Indian Constitution is that, being a federal constitution, it acquires a unitary character during the time of emergency. Under the Indian Constitution, every adult above 18 years of age been given the right to elect a representative for the legislature without prescribing any qualification based on the sex, property, education, or the like. A distinct feature of the Indian Constitution provided the establishment of the secular state regardless और reservation of the seats for पंचायती राज का भी मामला हो गया. ठीक है. अब आते हैं फेडरल फीचर ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन.